This method will make your home smell like a luxury residence. You can make it with things you already have at home. First, get a clean decorative jar, the bigger the better. Measure out 3 cups of regular water and pour it into the jar. These proportions are important. Next, add 2 cups of alcohol. Alcohol has antibacterial properties and helps evaporate excess moisture. Now add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This gives you a scent that fills the space like in a luxury interior. Choose any essential oil you like. Also add 1 tablespoon of dish soap you have at home. It's great for dissolving grease and dirt. Stir everything thoroughly so the ingredients blend well. Now the most important step. Take an old cotton t-shirt and cut it into smaller pieces. This is a great way to reuse old fabric. Place the ready pieces into the jar and soak them completely in the fragrant mixture. In just a few minutes, you'll have homemade reusable cleaning wipes. They not only disinfect and clean all surfaces, but also leave a scent that feels elegant and fresh. Your home will shine with cleanliness and smell like a luxury residence. When I use this trick, my home instantly gains a fresh, pleasant atmosphere. Choose a small, transparent container. It can be plastic or glass. Pour in some coarse salt, which is great at absorbing moisture and slowly releasing fragrance. Add 1 scoop of green laundry detergent, then mix thoroughly. The green color adds a refreshing touch to the mixture. To make the scent last longer, add a tablespoon of alcohol and mix well. Finally, add a few cloves, which will give the mixture a warm, spicy note. You can place the container on the windowsill, and the scent will fill the room, blending beautifully with the greenery of your plants. If you want a version for the bathroom, simply repeat the same process, but use blue detergent. The blue color is perfect for the bathroom, and its fresh scent brings a light, airy feeling. Add cloves again, and you're done. 2 colors, 2 moods, green for nature and relaxation, blue for freshness and cleanliness, simple, effective, and beautiful. Heat a fork over the stove flame. Trust me, this will completely transform your home. The scent in my apartment is so incredible that you can smell it all the way down the hallway. To create it, all you need is a plastic container with a lid that you no longer use. First, heat the fork on the stove and use it to make a few random holes in the container lid. This will allow the fragrance to release gradually. Now, it's time to prepare the scent mixture. Pour 1 cup of coarse salt into the container. Then, add 2 shots of alcohol to enhance and prolong the scent. Finally, mix in 1 capful of your favorite laundry scent beads. Their strong aroma will make the fragrance last even longer. Stir everything well with a spoon, then seal the container with the perforated lid. Place it in a discreet spot, like under a kitchen cabinet. Within minutes, a pleasant aroma will start spreading throughout the room, filling your home with freshness that even reaches the hallway. Cut the sanitary pad with scissors. This trick will save you a lot of money. The first product you need is a sanitary pad. Start by partially unwrapping it. Then, take your favorite perfume. All you have to do now is spray it with the perfume. Wait a moment. Then, cut the pad into smaller pieces. Stick these pieces in different places in your car. This will help the beautiful scent last longer in your car. Stick them in visible spots for a stronger fragrance, or hide them in the glove compartment for a more subtle scent. This quick and easy trick will make your car smell like your favorite perfume for a long time. Sprinkle lit candles with cinnamon, and your eternal problem will disappear in a minute. Take a pan and put plain white candles in it, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use tongs to remove the wicks from the melted candles and place them in a different container. Next, take a glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Add a few cloves and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir thoroughly. Finally, add the wick, measuring it to the ideal height, and hold it in place with a long toothpick so it doesn't fall inside. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick. The candle is ready. Light it and place it in a room where you spend a lot of time. The candle helps you relax. This natural candle will fill your home with the scent of cinnamon and cloves, helping to get rid of unwanted insects.
Put this in your jacket. I always keep one in my pocket. I honestly can't imagine going without it now. Let me show you what to do. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of dried nettle to a bowl. That's the base. Then add 3 tablespoons of dried mint for that fresh aroma. Finally, toss in a generous handful of cloves. Don't be shy. They make all the difference with their bold scent. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients blend together. Now grab a piece of aluminum foil. Spread the mix in the center. Fold the foil into a little pouch and seal it tightly. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes, just enough to let the scent escape without spilling the contents. Now for the fun part, slip that pouch into your jacket pocket or stash it in a drawer with your clothes. It'll absorb odors and leave everything smelling clean and fresh. This herbal combo releases a warm, natural scent, subtle, but strong enough to linger with you all day.
This trick makes my home smell wonderfully. Everyone who visits me asks about the scent. I don't buy it in the store. I make it myself. I heat a fork over a candle. Then, I take a regular disposable plastic box. I use the fork to make holes in it. There must be a lot of them. The hot fork melts them. That's why it's the fastest way. When the lid is full of holes, I remove it from the box. I pour salt into its interior. Ordinary. The cheapest kitchen salt will be perfect. It can be coarse-grained, it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Let me know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Then I pour a teaspoon of fabric softener into it. It should have a pleasant floral scent. Mix it all together so the salt is colored by the fabric softener. Prepare a handful of cloves. Insert them around at equal intervals. You can create nice patterns that will be pleasing to the eye. Place such a box in the bathroom or wardrobe. A pleasant fragrance will emanate from it. Everyone will ask what smells so beautiful. Additionally, it absorbs excess moisture. Therefore, it works great for a shoe cabinet. The scent of fabric softener and cloves will be intense, so it will also work perfectly in the bathroom. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then, cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then, take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home.